everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed our 8.8-inch Android screen in a 2011 BMW 328, and we add our backup camera. Car already came with the screen, so we add our 8.8-inch Android screen, and as you can see, that's the OEM fit. The installation is same as 5 series and 6 series older bodies, so you can follow the steps of those installation for this car as well. Car came with factory iDrive, CIC connection. By going to reverse, switch to backup camera, and parking sensors are activated too. Going back to park, it goes back to aftermarket mode, and also we can go to car factory navigation. We still can use it, no problem, and we can go to the aftermarket. Right now it's on ID5 menu, that's what customer asked for, but you can change it to ID6 as well. Everything is already done. It's a touch screen as well. That's a full screen video. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.